Hey everybody, wanted to do an update on the Halloween group build. So far everybody's doing great that's participating. I haven't been able to get a video or really work on it too much lately. I did have to go away for business, and that kind of happened the day after the group build started, and that was kind of a last minute thing. So, but I'm back now and I'm getting to work on it now. So I'm doing the Phantom of the Opera. So I primed it, and of course once you prime it, it shows all kinds of nasty seams. So I used the Magic Sculpt, the 2-part clay or epoxy clay, and this stuff sands really easy, so I'll be able to sand that. So I did it a little proud, so that way it sands and I won't have to do it more than once. But like on that side, that seam is pretty well hidden. But got his cape. That one I don't have to do anymore too. Probably the worst seams was where his arms meet, and I put that Magic Sculpt in there. It didn't look too bad until I sprayed primer on it, and it was like it looked like it was almost an 1/8 of an inch gap. I was like, wow. So got that, but you know, like the seams in there, I took my time and used a bunch of different size files and got it hidden pretty good. But once that cures really good, I'll hit it with this little bit of sandpaper, do another coat of primer on it. Here's one of the guy's arms. He had a big hole there, a big sinkhole, but that hole was meant to be there. Poor guy. I don't know how he's even holding on to that bar. And then the cage that he'll actually be holding, so they would actually go into that. So it fits like that somehow. Here's the Phantom's face. Pretty darn scary. I was able to get that seam pretty good hidden on that. Don't see it too well on his neck. That side's pretty good too. And then this is the face of the poor guy in that cage. He sure is rough. And then the mask. The base, I had to do a lot of filling around the base. But once that cures, I'll give it a quick sand. The T on there is the only bad spot in the whole mold. Just imagine how old this tooling is. And then I still have to prime the feet. So when I do all the priming on there, I'll do that too in the hands. So other than that, it's coming along quite well. Got this bow, and I should be able to get that sanded hopefully tomorrow and start getting some paint down. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the builds, and until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.